At Enerpac, we understand that precision, safety, and productivity are the foundation of every efficient railroad operation. These values drive our unwavering commitment to excellence. Our track tools are meticulously engineered to not only reduce downtime, but also to maximize efficiency and prioritize worker safety, even during the most demanding maintenance operations. Whether you're using a single-track jack, lifting a diamond crossing, or a complete rail bridge, Enerpac has the right tools and equipment to help you complete the job safely and on schedule. Our inspection tools include kits tailored for checking spring frogs and swing nose crossings, as well as tools for measuring track gauge changes under load. And when it comes to stressing and pulling rail, you can choose between a pre-assembled PTO-driven puller or a highly portable modular design that can be carried to the trackside and assembled in just a few minutes. Trusted by rail owners, operators, and contractors worldwide, our dependable equipment ensures seamless operations, even amidst the most demanding maintenance tasks, keeping workers on track and on schedule. Speak to an Enerpac Tools expert today.